It was a day like no other. Isang araw kung saan walang sinantong katayuan o estado sa buhay. Walang kinilalang pangalan, walang pagsasamong pinakinggan. Kasabay ng rumaragas ang tubig, inano din ang kabuhayan at pangarap ng marami. Homes lost, lives wasted, souls broken. At pagkatapos tumila, tanging bakas lang ng mapait na trahedya ang tumambad sa ating lahat. At kagaya ng nakaraang pagsubok, alam nating hindi tayo patatalo. Sumunod ang pagbaha ng umaapaw na pakikiramay, ang pagdagsa ng mga donasyon para sa mga nasalanta. Dumagundong ang mga tinig ng pag-asa, pag-ahon at pagbangon. Muli nating ipinakita sa mundo ang yaman na hindi maagaw sa atin kailanman.
Buhay! Kaya natin to!
Tikisin man tayo ng nakabibinging panaghoy. Pagmalupitan man tayo ng 100 ondoy, bitbit na natin ito sa pagdaan ng panahon at ipababaon natin sa mga susunod pang henerasyon. Kapuso, salamat sa wagas mong pagmamalasakit sa kapwa Pilipino. Tunay ngang from where we come from, everyone is a hero.
I can see it in your eyes. I can feel the emptiness inside.
And you try to hide it with a smile, though you'll never fool me for a while. If you take my hand, promise I will be with you. I will be your hero, save the day. Catch you if you fall, cross the rivers when you call. I will guide you when you lose your way. I will be standing by your side. I will go with you through any storm. I will be standing by your side. Nothing's gonna hurt you anymore. I won't take away the pain. I will be your shelter in the rain.
And you will never be alone. I will be your strength, I'll be your hope.
If you take my hand, we will rise above these all. I will be with you, keep holding on. Together we'll be strong, be holding on for long. Together we will make it through. I will be standing by your side. I will go with you through any storm. I will be standing by your side. Nothing's gonna hurt you anymore. Standing by your side, we will go with you through any storm. We will be standing by your side. Nothing's gonna hurt you anymore. We will be.
Mga kapuso,
magsama-sama tayo at patuloy na magtulungan.
Babangon tayong muli at haharapin ang isang magandang bukas.
Magbabalik po ang SOP.